we can get carried away until we get on the stage here. And especially my brother Nigel, he was getting warmed up when we were leaving the stage. That's always, we've always said that sometime we'll hold a concert where maybe we're featuring a couple of times on it and we can keep on the stage a bit longer. He only does like really getting warmed up and has to leave. But we're going to maybe end here now with a favourite tune. It's a long number of years when it was first penned. It's called The Record Number 9. I think we need to have a moment here to know about it. I think it started off as a tune written for a military band called Number 9. But later on, George Johnson, our good brother at Canterbury Hill tonight, had actually said that a country and western singer got a hold of the tunes, the music of it, and he set a country western song to it called The Record of Number 9, about an old train. And for Ernie Marks, that's in our gallery tonight there, he always shouts, whenever out at Ballinquigan Hall, he always shouts out, The Bold Engineer. That's the title that Moneymore 93 band have on it. So there's a couple of different names for it. We know it as The Record Number 9. I'm sorry this has to come to an end here, but I'm going to ask now if to leave the stage and give them a clap. But I want to stay behind. I want my dad to hold on here a minute, and I want the twin Currys. These girls are from Ballina Band, by the way. These girls here, they're only on loan. Mary Stockman keeps a tight eye on that. And I see Robert Crossett here. He wouldn't be too fussed. But these girls help us out an awful lot, as well as does Alan Pearson and John Murphy, and we're really in debt to these. And that's what it's all about. A bit of rapport. Maybe we'll get to the stage soon where the Hibernian band will help us out some time too, and we'll and it'll be great to have a number swell of drummers and fluters and all that. So if everyone can leave, I'll ask for Nigel and Jordan and Joel, my dad, and the two girls and the rest of them to take a wee break. I know some of them have got to get home now. And just a big round of applause to everybody. This is very unfair to my dad here. My dad's a good fitter, always has been, but he's never done this before in this sort of style. And this is something we sort of practice only the once or twice in the hall, and we did it there last Friday night in Cranny's dinner for the first time. So it's something a bit different, and I trust you'll enjoy it here. We just, to say, we only practice for once or twice in the hall. So bear with us if there's any mistakes made here. And it's just a wee piece that we've sort of put together. And it's basically the tune, The Girl I Left Behind Me. it's nice to see Damien Scott in our audience tonight from the Hibernian Flute Band. It's nice to see Damien and his wife Kerry here tonight. And this piece that my dad and I are going to play here, it's called the Magherafelt Mayfair. And I think the only band, we don't play, okay, I'll play one then. I'll play one, that's okay, it's called the Magherafelt Mayfair. It's about a love song. I probably haven't got the words here of it. Should have had it on anyway, that's exciting. I got the words kindly given to me by Joey Badger, who used to sing it. And I think that's the only band that play it now are the Luke band. Norman Clark, a good neighbour of my dad. Stan Lennox here, viewed Norman well, and others know Norman. His favourite Norman used to always say, I love hearing the Luke band play the Magherafelt Mayfair. That's a great own tune. And the man Johnny Johnson, who all knew him as One Arm Johnny, used to always follow up a Curran band, a follower of Curran band. And then back in the Skeleton Drum Band, Melanie or Tony Moore, he was there to listen. And I'd like to dedicate this tune tonight to those men, Norman Clark, Johnny Johnson, and also another great man I became friends with over the years, and that was Damon's father, Francis Scott. And I like to play it as well as a little band. I'm going to give a wee try it here, and I trust you like it here.